Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will have a walkthrough on an inventory system that I wrote using Laravel 12, MySQL, and Bootstrap for our front end. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download for free. I repeat, for free, the source code of our inventory system in my GitHub account. I will put a link there. So this is our system. The title is inventory system in Laravel 12 in MySQL. So basically it has how many fields that we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fields. The table, let's see. So we can add the item here. Let's say for example, milk quantity 25, price let's say 125 23.34. Click save. So milk 25, price, we simply multiply to have a total price of 3083.50, and then we have here the total cost. We can edit, we can change the quantity here. For example, specify the milk, bear brand milk. Click update. Okay. If you want to delete, simply click. It will ask you, using Bootstrap, are you sure you want to delete this record? No. Click delete again. When we select yes, delete, it will remove the record from our database. Okay. So we have here the source code. So we have here the title, the items, no? So migration. This is the table items. We have here the field ID, string, name, quantity, integer, decimal places. For the price, 2 decimal, 10, timestamp. And then for the web, we have here the items, route. Okay, the print function, I did not implement yet now. So we have also here the app, the model, item, fillable, item, quantity, price. We have also here the HTTP, item controller. So in the controller, we can have the add display, create, store, save, create to save the record, edit, update here, and then we have to destroy or delete. Okay, so next, we have also here the front end. So storage, no, the database here. MySQL, the database is we have here the inventory. The database is MySQL that we use. Okay, so let's go to the resources. For the views, we have here layouts, the blade, Bootstrap online, the items we have create. Okay, Symfony here, quantity, editable, another form, very simple, and then the index. Now close here, we have programmatically compute, for the total price here, and then delete button, confirm delete. Okay, display the total price here using the looping statement number format. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can um, download the complete source code in my GitHub account. Let's go back here. So add another record. It's a example bread. Quantity 100. The price will be 45.12 pesos. Click save. Okay, item added successfully. Bread. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on inventory system in Laravel 12 in MySQL. using Bootstrap for the front end. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel, guys, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.